to get to where you need to be. We just heard from JC how tough it is out there. You don't want to get caught out in this. And this lasts through much of the day because we keep that wind around. Even though the snow is winding down, the wind is going to keep things interesting, we'll say, out there until it starts to ease up later tonight. And even for that evening drive, I switched just to a green light, but that doesn't mean it's free and clear. It just means it'll get a little bit better than what we're dealing with this morning. Here's a look at your morning drive in Fargo at the tri-level. We're looking east along I-94. You can see the wet road. You can see that we've got some areas where we've got some slush on the road surface there, both eastbound and westbound. You can see that moisture out on the road as well, and that's one of our highest traveled areas in the valley. So that gives you an idea, again, of what we're experiencing elsewhere. Now, the snow moved through overnight last night, so we just got an extra coating here from yesterday. And then there are still some areas seeing it in our eastern counties. As it gets a little farther away from the radar site, it's getting harder to detect, but it's there, and we're going to watch that continue to move eastward. Visibility going to be down where the snow and wind are joining up forces to bring our visibility down to about a mile in Detroit Lake. So you've got blowing snow there. Fargo at the airport, 3 miles visibility. We're at 2 in Monoman and in Crookston, and 2.5 in Wapaton. So the east and southeast seeing some of our worst visibilities right now, and our winds are strongest right along the heart of the valley and the valley floor here, and then back over into Lakes Country too. Fargo gusting out of the northwest to 39, a gust to 40 in Fergus Falls. So some strong winds to start the day today. Temperatures are below freezing again, and we are looking at teens in the northwest where we started to clear out. We're at 12 degrees in Devil's Lake. Fargo's at 23. It's 22 in Grand Forks and some upper 20s to the south and east. Wind chills are closer to 0 in some of our western counties here this morning. So those pink numbers are what you'll want to pay attention to if you want to know what it's going to feel like to be outside here for today. We've got to factor in that wind. Heading into the rest of the morning and into the noon hour, a lot of the clouds are departing. We're getting some sunshine, but that northwesterly wind will just continue to drive in colder air, and so temperatures struggle today. We'll see some numbers into the 30s for this afternoon. Warmer south, colder north, and again, wind chills in pink here, feeling more like we're in that 20-degree range here for this afternoon in the second half of April. So it's just certainly cold out there. May have a couple of lingering areas of light snow up in the northeast, up around Lake of the Woods, but overall, we're going to see things wind down as far as snowfall is concerned through the day. Into tonight, the wind finally eases up later tonight, especially after sunset. And then overnight, we'll see those temperatures dropping again into the teens. We'll get into that 20-degree range for some, and that wind turns around to a southeasterly direction and eventually picks right back up again for Tuesday in advance of our next system. So it's just going to be an active one this week. Today, of course, our departing system, then some sunshine. Tuesday, we'll see the wind pick up first, then rain and snow late, especially more into your Wednesday. And rain more likely in the southern valley right now, snow more likely in the northern valley. This is going to be a tough one because of temperatures. Look how mild we'll be in Fargo Wednesday. And then Thursday, we get our break this week. And then we enter a prolonged period of some widespread areas of rain, maybe some thunder Friday and into Saturday, especially Saturday morning. And then as the colder air moves in behind the system, some changeover trying to happen on Sunday. So an active weekend for weather too. So certainly getting our April showers. They're just coming in all different forms yes. This time around.
Well, it's definitely living up to its name then.
That's for sure.
All right, time now is 6:16. Taking center stage.